Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a review on Airbnb. To get started, go ahead and open Airbnb on your device. So make sure that you have signed in into your account on Airbnb and you have set up your listing. To be able to respond or to dispute reviews. So honest reviews help hosts and guests to grow and find the right fit in the future. But sometimes you might get the one you disagree with. So to be able to remove a review, dispute a review. Well, you can't remove a review, you can report it if you think it violates Airbnb's review policy. So feel free to respond with more context to provide your own perspective for as long as you do follow the reviews policy. So to be able to remove reviews under your listing, you need to actually report it. But you also need to make sure that that review doesn't fit Airbnb's reviews policy. And if you're going to respond into that review, you should also follow the Airbnb's review policies to be able to not get reported on the app, and that is how you can basically remove reviews on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.